Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix Bluetooth not connecting on your Audi. This tutorial will work for all of the Audi A and Q models. So if you guys have any of these models, just follow the steps I'm going to show you. So basically guys, what you need to do is just go to your navigation screen in the right side of your steering wheel. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. So basically guys, once you're here, make sure that you are in the main menu or in the home page. And then once you're here in the home page, go ahead and look for media. Then once you're here in media, go ahead and click on the right click. Then here you're gonna find Bluetooth settings and connection manager. So one of the reasons why the Bluetooth could not be working with your phone is because maybe there is too much devices that were connected to the car, and there is no place to save more devices. So what you need to do guys is just go ahead and look here for primary phone, give it a click, and then here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the devices that you have in your phone or in your car. Then go, for example, and try to remove one of the devices that you don't use anymore using the right click, and then here you can find delete Bluetooth device, delete it, and then try again to connect to Bluetooth, and normally it should work normally. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.